there will be an investigation that will begin on the High Court judge, the cash scandal that everyone's been talking about, and the probe will begin in 2 days. What is the big issue here? Remember, if he's been transferred, what is this probe then going to be? Is this going to be now an afterthought that has happened? According to our sources, Chief Justice of India has sent a letter to 3-judge panel. The panel will decide the rules of investigation in judge cash scandal. So in many ways, remember, the in-house within the judiciary, the attempt also to show that there's complete transparency and there cannot be a taint on credibility. The committee of judges probing the Justice Verma case will begin investigation in 2 to 3 days. Investigation will also, of course, refer to the piles of cash found at Justice Verma's residence. This is big news. Remember, this is Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna sending letters to 3 judges of the committee. Committee will decide the rules, the timeline, and even if the central government approves recommendation of the transfer of justice, he'll not be able to perform judicial work in the Allahabad High Court. The order, which is applicable for him in the Delhi High Court, will also be applicable then possibly for the Allahabad High Court. So there are some guidelines here that will have to be looked at. The Supreme Court has made it clear that action against Justice Verma will not be limited just to the transfer, because that raised a question when the transfer happened, that how is this transfer like a benchmark, setting sort of a punishment or at least a certain question mark that you cannot be allowed to function normally when such piles of cash, which is unaccounted, which he has no answers for, found at his residence. Look at that, 500 rupee notes that you can see from the half-burnt pile. And remember, this also came in amid controversy, amid the fact that there were denials earlier, both from Justice Verma, even from the fire department, only to have visuals come in of the fire rescue workers digging out and realizing, what is this coming in piles of cash? The heat is clearly mounting on the Delhi High Court judge. The probe will now begin over how and what was that official, the piles of cash that were found at his official residence in Delhi. But hours after the transfer recommendation to the centre was made public in a resolution uploaded on the website of the top court, Supreme Court Collegium has now recommended not only the repatriation of the Delhi High Court judge, but also the fact this could lead to further inquiry against him. Now, what is he saying? Justice Verma continues to deny the allegations. He's claiming that the storeroom where, so to say, this cash was recovered from has been accessible to everyone, including his house staff. How can it have so many piles of cash, wads of cash that would be kept simply in a cupboard? Allahabad High Court Bar Association has opposed the proposed transfer of this judge. Now, also many lawyers, we are told, from Allahabad High Court have gone on a strike. They're asking, why would he be sent to our court when such a grievous allegation is against him? Now, the Supreme Court repatriation against Justice Verma will be to the parent court. For now, he's been de-rostered by the Delhi High Court. All judicial work under his supervision has been completely withdrawn. Remember, because this has raised a certain question of credibility, if at all, even though he's completely denied the allegations. Let's listen in now to how there's been a political showdown. The matter has reached the parliament too.
हम लोग बिल्कुल इसका शुरू से विरोध कर रहे हैं और बहुत लार्ज स्केल पे पूरे हिंदुस्तान की हाई कोर्ट बार एसोसिएशन का हमें सपोर्ट प्राप्त है। सारी एसोसिएशन लगभग 22 एसोसिएशंस ने हमको सपोर्ट लेटर भेजा है, हमको सपोर्ट का पत्र भेजा है और पूरे हिंदुस्तान में इसको लेके काफी आग लगी हुई है, काफी तकलीफ में है जनता। जब पहला हम लोगों ने ये रेजोल्यूशन पास किया एग्जीक्यूटिव का जनरल हाउस से पहले 21 को जो आप लोग को मिला, उसके बाद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक नोटिफिकेशन किया कि जो ट्रांसफर एक तो हुआ नहीं है और ट्रांसफर से इस घटना से कोई लेना देना नहीं। आज उन्होंने वही ट्रांसफर अफर्म कर दिया है कॉलेजियम की मीटिंग ने 20 तारीख को सपोर्ट करते हुए। 20 और 24 की मीटिंग का हवाला है उनके नोटिफिकेशन में।
See, inquiry has been commenced. This is a good step has been taken by the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Now there are 2 types of inquiry. One type of inquiry is done by the judiciary itself, CGI. If the CGI is satisfied, CGI we can take a step. CGI can also recommend for the impeachment. Another thing is that the parliament also can initiate an step for impeachment, but in that case, again, in-house inquiry has to be made. If the in-house inquiry has been directed and it has come, result comes shortly, then if the CGI takes the decision, whatever the decision will be taken, that is also a good step, I think.
So let's listen in from the experts as well and the members of judiciary. Eminent lawyer who's been former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi spoke to India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai. And what is the opinion amid the members, senior members of the judiciary? Let's listen into this excerpt.
But did he see any cash? Did he not see any cash? I mean, please understand, you can't have a murder without a body being found. The second thing which I want to say is, see, transfer or no transfer, the correct thing was that judicial work was withdrawn, because you can't have a person in a doubtful situation sitting on the bench dispensing justice. But the transfer in any case has to be first accepted by the government of India. This transfer does not take effect on its own. God knows what view the government will take. But the transfer, another mystifying thing is that the Supreme Court is on record saying that this transfer has nothing to do with the in-house inquiry. I am baffled to hear that. According to me, it has everything to do with this episode and this inquiry. And in fact, the transfer, according to me, is clearly punitive. It is not for any other reason except that